Elias loved to torment birds. Not all of them, just magpies. He'd pop their flesh with bobby pins and dunk the birds in lye. Delighting in their sodden shrieks, a smile upon his lips, he doused them under water as they struggled, flopped and flipped. 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, he counted as they drowned. You see, Elias's mother failed to teach that what goes around comes around. Years had passed, Elias grew, he was a vile and vicious man. He'd met his match in his wife-to-be. Let's call her Iniquitous Anne. Annie and Elias one day were resting on the lawn after drowning Moggy's kittens because yet another lot were born. The sun was bright, it warmed them, till soon they snored and slumbered. But birds they circled in the skies, soon Elias and Annie were outnumbered. Magpies, vengeful, looking on in readiness for attack. Impatient and squawking, the couple awoke to see the sky turn swollen and black. Darkness encompassed old Annie, a whirlwind of feathers and red, the birds ripping chunks from the old crone's face. They left her mutilated and dead. Elias sat blood-splashed and sorry. He begged and he pleaded remorse, but what's done is done at the end of the day. His pleas too little too late, of course. I'll not say what the birds did to our subject, suffice to say he was unrecognizable, and the moral of this, I'm not sure what it is, but respect for magpies is advisable.